my name is Laela Saetulrohmah. You can call me Laela as interviewer.
Hello, my name is Hanna Zahrotun. You can call me Hanna. I'm interviewing.
I hope you enjoy this video.
I hope you enjoy for watching this video.
Okay. Hello, Mrs. Hanna. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. Introduce my name is Laela Saetulrohmah as Human Resource Development of Hanna Zahrotun. Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, thank you for inviting me to this interview. My name is Hanna Zahrotun, often called Hanna. I'm 24 years old. I'm come from Cilacap. I have been working as a construction manager at company Jaya Abadi for 2 years. My responsibilities include working with discipline and being able to cooperate with other works. I'm interested in this job, especially in the construction field, because of the knowledge I learned in college and my basic experience.
What is your biggest weakness?
My biggest weakness, sometimes I don't believe in myself, but I can overcome it now by converting myself.
What are the responsibilities of the construction manager?
The project manager is a leader of a project. Therefore, the project manager also has a vital task in a project, starting from making plans, allocating teams, mitigating risks, to making reports for stakeholders.
What are the biggest challenges you will face in the role as construction manager?
I think the biggest role I face is the responsibility itself. I must be able to carry it out properly and in accordance with the distant project so that it's done not disappointment customer and can improve the good name from this company.
You see a design flaw in complete civil engineering project. What will you do as a construction manager?
I will immediately take over and be in charge of the project under no circumstance will include or cover it up. As a construction manager, I am responsible for ensuring that all work I do is safe and fit for purpose. There is opportunity for all of us to learn. We should try to understand when the error equipment and what we can do make sure it never happen again.
List out some of the software used in the construction sector to estimate cost and monitoring expenses.
First, tally system. 2. Set. 3. Maxwell system. 4. Premier construction software. 5. Ethic of. 6. Construction partner.
Okay, explain what is floating slab foundation.
A floating concrete foundation is a type of mat foundation that consists of the hollow mat formed may be a grid of the thick reinforced concrete walls between two these reinforced concrete slabs.
Why did you choose our company to be a construction manager?
Your company reputation is one of the factors. I will be prone to work for a company with strong and clear vision. I also read on your website that creativity and innovation are, of, are one of your current values, and I feel that your values align with my own personal values. That's why I'm so excited to join your company.
If you are already working here, what are your plans of the next year for our company?
I will first learn to the company system works. After that, I will improve my skill and knowledge to match the company quality. If I have mastered it, I will give my best for this company so that the image and quality of the company will increase.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hannah. The interview has been complete. I hope you can join us in this company.
Okay, you are welcome, Mr. Laela. I hope I can join to your company.
Hi, my name is Arum Hidayati. You can call me Arum. I'm as interviewer.
My name is Faizatul Khoiriyah. You can call me Faiza. I'm interviewee.
Hello, good morning, Miss Faizatul. I'm Arum Hidayati. You can call me Arum. I'm as Human Resource Development in PT Kali Abang Jaya Pratama. So, can you tell about yourself?
Morning. Yes, Mrs. Arum. Thank you for inviting me for this interview. My name is Faizatul Khoiriyah of the called Faiza. I am 24 years old. I come from Temanggung. I have obtained a bachelor degree in civil engineering at the University of Tidar Magelang. My hobbies are drawing and writing, so I stay at home more often. However, lately I have studied the projects that are around me by observing them. This is to improve my skill. I also possess outstanding technical, communication, and interpersonal skill that enable me to build strong and lasting relationship with client, contractor, and stakeholder.
Talk about skill. What is your greatest weakness?
My biggest weakness, sometimes I lack focus, but I can overcome it by calming down first. After that, I repeat and re-examine what I'm doing.
Okay, to be a site manager, what are the responsibility of a site manager?
The responsibility of a site manager is to plan and coordinate project implementation according to quality, time, and funds, oversee project development from start to finish, solve technical problems, provide advice, and prepare reports on its project implementation.
Then, what the biggest challenge you will face in the role as a site manager?
I think the biggest role I face in the responsibility itself, I must be able to carry it out properly and in accordance with the desired project so that it does not disappoint customer and can improve the good name of this company.
In your opinion, what are the most important skills need to be a site manager?
The most important skill to be a site manager is to rockness. in this case is very important. This is the main thing in the success of a project. In addition, good communication is also needed so that there is no miscommunication, so that the project can run smoothly and on target. Other important skill includes problem-solving capabilities, technical competency skill, critical thinking skill, and also independent analytic skill.
In the future, if you not take additional blue in a completed civil engineering project, what will you do as a site manager?
I will immediately pass it on to the senior manager or engineer in charge of the project. Under no circumstances would I ignore or cover it up. As a site manager, I am responsible for ensuring that our work I do is safe and fit for purpose. There is an opportunity for all of us to learn. Instead of blaming people for what went wrong, we should try to understand why something went wrong and what we can do to make sure it never happens again.
What a capital cost has to be taken in a consideration?
Capital costs that must be considered in a construction project is land acquisition, planning and feasibility studies, construction, financing, insurance and tax during construction, general office overhead, inspection and testing, equipment and furnishing not included in construction, fleet supervisor, architecture and engineering design.
Yeah. Why have you chosen our company to become a site manager?
The main reason why I chose your company to apply to be a site manager is because of your reputation in the industry. As you know, you are one of the leader in the world of civil engineering. And apart from feeling extremely proud to work for you, I believe this is a place where my skill can be put to good use and also a place where I can learn and develop from some of the best people in this industry. I believe this will be a great place to work and I feel in the end I will stay with you for a long period of time if success in the interview.
If you already work here, what are your plans for the next 5 years?
I will learn how this company system works first. After that, I will improve my skill and knowledge to match the quality of the company. If I have mastered it, I will give my best for this company so that the image and quality of the company will improve. In addition, I also want to achieve the position I want, namely as a director in this company.
Okay. For this interview, for a better information, we will send it to your email. Thank you, Ms. Faizatul.
Thank you, Mrs. Arum. I will be the best and I can join in your company.